Do you want to keep your heart strong and healthy? Are you frustrated with spending a lot of money to lose weight and get a fit body? Do you need to help your body build strong muscles? What about your eyesight? Do you want a superior eye care and sharp vision? The good cholesterol is required for your blood. How do you increase it? Do you feel depressed and want to improve your mood? Boosting the body's immune system is important, isn't it? Taking eggs regularly helps you get incredible benefits. So if you don't like taking eggs, this is a misconception that you should change once you hear this exciting and amazing information about the benefits of eggs. You may have heard some information about eggs, but in this video, you will learn about the benefits that you have never heard of eggs before. We will also learn about choosing the best type of it, and does the nutritional and health value differ according to the types of eggs. Before we start, if you have taken eggs, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos. And if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Now, let's explore and count the amazing benefits of eggs. First, eggs protect you from the risk of stroke and improve brain functions. It is known that our bodies need vitamin D to stimulate many vital processes necessary for the body, and it is very useful for the gray matter in the brain. But it is difficult to obtain vitamin D from common foods, and sunlight is the main source of it. Surprisingly, egg yolks contain a large amount of vitamin D. Based on research conducted at Peking University, researchers found that people who eat eggs daily have a 28% lower risk of stroke than those who don't eat eggs regularly. In addition, the amount of choline in eggs helps build and strengthen nerve cells throughout the body, which leads to good communication between these cells. As a result, eating eggs regularly reduces the risk of premature aging diseases. Second, eggs improve the blood cholesterol levels. Eggs greatly help in increasing the level of good cholesterol in the blood because they contain many vitamins and choline, as well as antioxidants such as lutein and zeaxanthin. If you are one of those who eat eggs regularly, you should know that your chances of developing heart disease are greatly reduced because there is a Chinese study that indicates that people who eat eggs daily are 20% less likely to develop heart disease than those who don't eat eggs regularly. Third, eggs improve mood and are an antidepressant. Studies have shown that some patients with severe depression and psychological disorders suffer from a deficiency of vitamins, amino acids, and fatty acids, which are considered among the most important carriers of these neurotransmitters. Acetylcholine is considered one of the most important neurotransmitters. Acetylcholine is produced from lecithin and phosphatidylcholine that is found in large quantities in egg yolks. Therefore, eating eggs regularly helps a lot in stimulating the work of those neurotransmitters, which in turn improve mood and reduce depression and psychological disorders. Fourth, eating eggs increases the rate of weight loss and treats obesity. Eggs contain a large amount of tissues, so when eaten regularly, they make you feel full and thus reduce your desire to eat more food. This naturally helps the body burn fat and lose excess weight. This diet is one of the treatment methods used by some nutritionists to treat obesity without spending a lot of money on some medications that do the same thing. Fifth, eggs function as a protection and defense system against many diseases. Eggs aren't only a complete diet, but they also act as a defense system that reduces the incidence of many serious diseases, as egg whites or yolks contain many important proteins, such as lysozyme, cystatin, and avidin. Scientific research has found that both lysozyme and avidin have many protective activities, where they act as antibacterial and protect against many bacterial diseases. Sixth, eggs help improve your eyesight. One of the most important nutrients that the human's eye needs is zinc, which is closely linked to the work and activity of vitamin A. Zinc found in eggs yolk effectively helps reduce many eye diseases and is also responsible for the quality of vision and increased eye care because it stimulates the work of some antioxidant enzymes such as superoxide dismutase. Eggs yolk also contains choline that helps reduce the thinning of the macular degeneration, which is the area surrounding the pupil, resulting in better vision and sharp eyesight. 7th, eggs help you build a strong and healthy body. Eggs possess a large amount of high-quality proteins, and the percentage of protein in them that converts to tissues is much greater than those produced from proteins from other sources of many foods. That's why some athletes and bodybuilders resort to eating eggs daily, because it is very useful for building and strengthening their muscles in a healthy and fast way. This, in turn, saves you a lot of time and effort, and also saves a lot of money that you spend on expensive nutrients. 8th, eggs strengthen your hair and protect it from falling out. Eggs contain a high percentage of biotin, which is necessary for the production of the hair protein called keratin, needed for hair growth and protection from falling out. There is a study that indicates that 38% of women who suffer from weak hair and hair loss are those who suffer from biotin deficiency. Eggs, especially egg yolks, also contain many nutritional sources and minerals that are important for your hair health. After knowing all those incredible benefits of eggs for our bodies, now you are asking yourself, which type of eggs should I choose, aren't you? Also, you wonder what type of eggs is most beneficial for our bodies. Many of us know that chicken's eggs are available in two popular colors, snow white and soft brown eggs, and we often find them in abundance in all supermarkets. But there are also other colors such as blue-green, chocolate brown, or even pink eggs, and the variety in egg's color depends on the color of the chicken's feathers. We must know that the difference in the egg's color doesn't affect its nutritional value. Here we must ask an important question. How does the nutritional value differ from one egg to another? The answer to this question is that the nutritional value of eggs depends on the method of raising chickens and also the type of food that the chickens feed on. Chickens that are raised in common ways in groups and graze in open areas produce eggs that contain the nutritional value required by the body, and they are also economically within everyone's reach. However, if you want to add nutritional elements to your body in larger proportions and high quality, you should use organic eggs, which are naturally expensive because this type of eggs is produced by chickens that are raised in closed areas under strict care and carefully preserved, where the chickens feed on organic feed and foods rich in omega-3, and the eggs are also stored at a certain temperature to eliminate pathogens that may infect them over time. Let's move on to the next question. How many eggs should you eat daily to get the maximum benefit? Many nutritionists recommend that eating 4 to 5 eggs a day is enough to get the protein and minerals your body needs. This is for healthy people who don't suffer from chronic diseases, such as diabetes or high cholesterol. On the other hand, eating 2 or 3 eggs a day doesn't cause any harm to people with chronic diseases. Write to us in the comments what is the most important information you benefited from this video and how many eggs do you eat daily? Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comments section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.